Judge orders White House to list individuals rejected by Trump boycott. Reuters by Scott Malone and Dan Levine. Boston or Seattle government judge in Virginia requested the White House to give a rundown. Surprisingly halted from entering the United States by a travel boycott forced a week ago on nationals of 7 lions-share Muslim nations by President Donald Trump. The administration went ahead a day that lawyers from 4 states were in court testing the official request. The Trump Organization legitimized the activity on national security grounds, yet adversaries named it an unlawful focusing of individuals in view of their religious beliefs. The State Department said on Friday that under 60,000 visas already issued to residents of Iran, Iraq, Libya, Somalia, Sudan, Syria and Yemen had been nullified because of the request. The divulgence took after media reports that administration legal counselors were referring to a figure of 100,000. U.S. local judge Lenny Brinkema in Alexandria, Virginia requested the government to give the Express a rundown by Thursday of all people who have been denied Section 2 or expelled from the United States. At Boston's Logan International Airport, no less than 4 undergrads from Iran and Iraq who had already been obstructed from entering the United States by the request, landed with new visas on Friday. As indicated by a Reuters witness, the new Republican president's arrangement marked on January 27 activated confusion at U.S. air terminals a weekend ago. A few voyagers abroad were transformed again from flights into the United States. Hordes of several individuals pressed into landing zones to challenge illegitimate protests were documented over the country. The arrangement additionally briefly ceased the passage of all exiles into the nation and inconclusively ended the settlement of Syrian displaced people. The province of Hawaii on Friday joined the test to the request, with authorities saying they were suing to square implementation of the travel boycott. Government judges in Boston and Seattle additionally were measuring argument skepticism in Boston. Unelected judge communicated suspicion about a social liberties. Bunches assert that Trump's arrangement spoke to religious separation. Social liberties advocates approached U.S. Area Judge Nathan Gordon to expand a controlling request issued right off the bat Sunday that for 7 days obstructs the detainment or expulsion of application.